In this example, we want to express the number 684 in scientific notation, and we should round this to 2 decimal points. So how can we do that? Well, that's fairly easy. We note that 684 is larger than 1. So what we can do is we can put a decimal point here. And now we can shift this decimal point 2 places to the left. 1, 2. And we would get 6.84 because we have shifted this decimal point 2 places to the left. We would get 10 to the power of positive 2. Now these 2 here, up here, this indicates how many places we had to shift the decimal point to the left, and the positive sign here indicates that it goes to the left. Now let's have a look at another example. Here we've got the task of expressing the number 0.008289, again in scientific notation, and again round to 2 decimal points. So 0.008289. And now what we want to do is we want to get this into scientific notation, which would be 8.2, and we need to round to 2 decimal points, so the 8.289, we would round this to 8.29. So we've got this rounding here, and we want to get it into this format. So what we need to do is we need to shift the decimal point to the right, and we need to do it once, twice, 3 times, that we get 8.29. So we've got 8.29 times 10 to the power of 3, because we shifted it 3 times, and we shifted it to the right hand side in this case, and therefore we have a negative sign here. So I hope this makes sense, and thank you very much for watching.